Hey guys, my name is Stella and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this smoky eyeshadow look, this red smoky eyeshadow look, and several other eyeshadow looks that I created. So if you want to see, then stay tuned. So guys, I'm starting off with applying concealers on my eyelid. I'm using the LA Pro concealer. I'm blending that into my skin. Now I'm using this blending brush that's fluffy, and I'm using my classic 45 color palette. First going in with this brown shade of eyeshadow and blending that into my crease. I blend that so that it can give it the notch of a depth, and then I go in with a transition color using this light pink, and also using that with my brown shade so that it wouldn't look too sharp, and blending all that into my crease for a transition color. I'm doing the same thing for the other eye too. After blending that in, I'm using this brush that has like a tippy edge. It is used to apply the dark shade to your crease to give it more depth, so your eyes can look deeper, your crease can look deeper, sorry. So I'm applying the dark shade of brown, the darkest shade of brown on the palette, and applying that only on my crease and blending that in so that my eyes can look deeper. Now I'm going in with the same brown color and using that to blend everything I have done. Now I'm going with a darker shade and blending everything I have done. Now time to put in the red color. I'm applying first of all the red shade of eyeshadow onto the edge of my eyelid. And then blending it out. Also now going in with my eyeshadow brush and applying on my eyelid the red color. I applied just about enough to give me what I want. Going in with the same blending brush and blending the eyeshadow out, making sure it doesn't look too sharp. I'm also taking it under my eye to give it the smoky eye effect that I want. That's it guys. So after doing my lashes, I come back to highlight my eyes. I applied some bronzers there still, and that's all guys. That's red smoky eyeshadow. I hope you did like it. Next look, so first of all applying some concealers. I'm going with my setting powder to set the concealer in. Now I'm going in with an orange color for my transition color. The transition color should be lighter and close to your skin tone. Going in with this darkest shade and applying that on my crease gently. To give it some depth, going in with this transition color and blending that in because I don't want the crease color going all the way up. Now I'm using my classic eyeshadow primer with my eyeshadow brush, and I'm applying that all over my eyelid. The eyeshadow primer is used to bring out the colors you want to apply, so it makes the colors look sharper and better. I apply that on my eyelid gently. I don't want the eyeshadow going all the way up. apply the same thing on the other eye. Now I'm going in, starting with the lightest shade I want to apply some cream color to the front corners of my eyelid, going in with the orange color. I'll apply some next after the cream color. For this eyeshadow look, I'll be using more than one color. Now I'm using the tip of my brush to blend in the ends of the cream and the orange so they can look blended and you wouldn't tell where it starts from. Now I'm going in with a blue color, applying that also to the ends of the orange. Now I'm blending the tips again so they can blend into each other. You wouldn't know where the orange and where the blue starts from whenever you do that. I'm blending them out using my blending brush to blend the edges. Now I'm going with the darkest shade of brown and using that for the outer corners of my eyelid to smoke what I have done out. Now I've applied more than one color on my eyes and they all look blended out together. You wouldn't tell where one color starts and where one ends. Now I'm blending the top of my brows and that's all. Did the rest of my makeup, lashes, eyeliner and all of that, and that's all guys. For this next look, it's a much more natural look. I'm using my concealer and my contour powder. Applying my concealer. Applying setting powder. Now I'm going with my contour powder and using that for my crease, giving it some depth. Now I'm going in with the same contour powder. This is a very natural makeup look that I am creating. I'm going in with this light shade of cream and applying just a little. It has some glitters on it. Applying some to the other eye too. Now I go and blend it all with my blending brush, and that's all. Apply your eyeliner, mascara, and it's very natural eyeshadow look. So that's all guys. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.